So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. If you want to change the font or text in just this one section of your PowerPoint presentation, here's how to do it without affecting the rest of your slides. Firstly, go to the slide you want to edit and click the text box containing the section you want to change. Highlight specifically the text you want to modify. Now go to the Home tab. In the Font section, choose your preferred font, size, style or color, and only the selected text will be changed. Now, to change the actual wording, highlight the existing text and simply type your new text. Because you selected only that specific section, the formatting and text in the other sections will remain unchanged. Now you can quickly customize individual sections of your PowerPoint without changing the rest of your presentation. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel if it helped you out, and I will see you on the next video.